So I have already opened up number 7, door 7 today on our advent calendar. But I wanted to make this house in actual Lego because it's just gorgeous. And I know it already exists because it's actually Paisley's house, but this is like so much bigger and it's more filled out than what Paisley's house is. So I wanted to make my own Lego version of the advent calendar, like what it actually shows on here. And then we can fill it out with all of the stuff as we open up each of the doors. It just looks so homey. So it's kind of like a zoom in on the actual part, like the living area of Paisley's house. So we're going to do, what are we going to do? We're going to steal parts, but you can actually just do this. You can set all this stuff up on the bits that come from the advent calendar, but you know me, I like to do stuff on Lego. I think it's probably a lot more versatile if you actually do it on the cardboard, but anyway. So what are we going to do? We're going to put down the flooring, and these are actually the same color pieces as the floorboards, so that'll be the floorboards, and let's just move stuff out of the way and get started. So a really big focal point on our currently empty room is a red carpet, a really big red carpet. So at the moment, I'm going to use these tiles just to hold these plates together so they don't come apart. But I'll probably have to change stuff up as I go along and put some of these tiles on with little jumper studs so I can actually attach stuff to it. But at the moment, it's just going to be a big red smooth carpet. And on the back, we've actually got this wall with the photos on it, the family photos, Paisley's family photos, and I've stolen this out of the house. I've actually pulled parts out of Paisley's house. Underneath, there's a bookcase, and I'm going to build that because there wasn't actually a bookcase in Paisley's living room because it was just a much smaller scale than what we're building at here. I feel as though I should be making this even bigger scale because it's not going to be the same size as the advent calendar version, but I don't know. We're just going to have a go. So let's put this over here. We're going to stick this onto the wall. So the bookcasey bit onto the wall on our yellow forward-facing studs. And I want the books to come out a little bit further. So I'm actually just going to bring them all out by one plate. It's such a silly detail, but if I don't do this, I'm always going to look at the bookcase and go, man, those books are real far back. So let's just fix it. If a job's worth doing, it's worth doing well. Now I've turned into my mother. It happens to the best of us. On the top, there's actually a little candelabra or a little, Christmassy candle thing. So we're going to build that nice and simple and easy and put that on top of the bookcase. Isn't that pretty? Actually, it's very close to those pictures, but fine. Door over here. Stolen this door completely from Paisley's house, the front door. Just trying to figure out where I want it to situate. I want everything to go back by one stud, I think, because I want a little bit of front door area too. So yeah, I think that's enough. And that's the light. I've stolen this stuff just directly out of her house build already. Got the orange grills along the front, and then we're gonna have a whole heap of concrete out here too, because that's what it looks like. But I want a few little studs so that I can attach snow. It's snowing. It's winter here. Or is it? Like, I don't even know where the friends live, but it's, winter. It's winter. They've got snow stuff in the actual builds. So, or in the mini builds from the advent calendar. This here is going to be the fireplace. So we're actually going to make a space for the fireplace because I know in the pictures we're going to have a buildable fireplace coming from the advent calendar itself. So we're going to just leave space for it, building our chimney area up. It's not quite the same color as Paisley's house, but it's what I have bricks for. So we just use what we have at the moment to get up a little bit higher. So we have a nice tall room, putting the front door mat in, stolen directly from Paisley's house. Over here is where the kitchen would be. And I know we're going to get some fun kitchen-y things. So I've actually taken the kitchen and just, if you didn't see the build of this, there are so many good things in the fridge, like frozen peas and some Neapolitan ice cream and yum tomato soup and eggs and milk. So if we just put this over here, I don't think we need to actually enclose it in walls. It's going to be its own little wall. So let's tile the area in front of it, just using the same colored tiles as Paisley's house. I think that's just a given now. Everything in here is themed from Paisley's house or stolen from Paisley's house. And then everything we're going to put in it, because it's going to be like basically a blank canvas, is going to be stuff out of the advent calendar. Okay, we just need to backfill this wall here now. So I'm going to put a nice big windowy doory bit in here to match up with the theme of the rest. Put our yellow wall up. And then I think over here, there's actually a rainbow doormat going out the back door, so into the snowy area. So building a little rainbow doormat, and there's cobblestones going down, but we'll do that in a minute. So inside we need a wall over here, and at the moment there's kind of nothing on the wall, but we're going to need to leave space to put stuff in here because we've already got the writing desk and we've got the keyboard. So we'll have to see how we can fit this. And around the door in the picture is actually a big garland, a tinsely or a leaf, like a holly leaf garland. So let's see if I can build one with red and little candy swirls on it. I think that'll be so pretty. And then see if I can get it to just kind of sit around the door and give it a nice festive feel. And I've actually built these exactly the same, whereas I needed to mirror image them. Figured it out though. Got there in the end. Nice. I think that's right. Did I figure it out? I did not figure it out. Hold on, let's move these here. Oh, there we go. I love Lego. You can fix your mistakes so easily. Okay, so we're going to put them over the door with these little forward-facing stud bits, and then in the middle, just a little candy swirl. See, that's really pretty. That's nice. Okay, and we can... I think that's... Oh, keeps falling off. It's not the most substantial, sound build, but that's fine. It's just the Christmas decorations that are going to fall down, or they're going to end up inside your cats if they're anything like at my house, where they're just eating the tinsel, nom nom nom, and then they vomit back up on the floor because they're just the gift that keeps on giving. Now on the top we're going to pull all this together with some tiles and plates, and some of these have got studs on them and some of them are smooth because I want to put Paisley's room on the top, because that's what we have in the picture. This is Paisley's room from the house, so it's scaled a bit shorter. It should go all the way to the end, but I'm just going to ignore that and we're just going to leave it as it is. And we're going to take Ella's bed out because at the moment she's just a teeny tiny baby, so that's not how it is currently. It is in the past. Currently in the past. So down here, we've actually got a big snowy outside area, and I want to add this. So I have pre-built, because I had to do a bit of thinking for this, our little snowy landscape on the outside. So I will just be able to pop my room on top of the yellow rectangle, because I've popped some jumper studs on that, and it's just going to connect in a few points, and then we've got our snowy surrounds, which we could put all of the fun snow things that come in the advent calendar on as well. Got some snow out the front already, but I do need to then tie some more snow into the bits that we've built. So over here, maybe just a little bit more. And I can move these around because I don't know what's coming. I mean, I've seen the pictures in the advent calendar and I remember some of them like on the front, but there's going to be so many other things and I don't know how I'm going to actually fit it in. And I want some more lights over here to match the ones that are going all the way around, because there are little Christmassy lights all the way around in the actual picture. That door still opens, so that's fine. It opens enough, it's fine. And another light here. And then I've already put a nice big snowdrift in front of the kitchen windowy thing, but we're going to pull that back like right up against the window. Ah, cool. All right, so let's move that back. A few more little domedy bits, and then we just kind of heap some shaped white bits up. We need Paisley's dad to come out and and shovel over here. Oh no, it's very festive. It's lovely, look at that. Okay, so we got a big snowdrift out the front, and then over here I'm putting the mailbox in from Paisley's house. Maybe we put it together to hold those two bits together. Nice, look at that, see? Now, that was so easy. And then around the outsides, it's just like kind of the idea of the room. We've left big open walls so we can get in here nice and easily. So let's put in some of the pieces that we've already got. So we've got the keyboard. Will it fit in here? I don't know that I designed this very well. Let's put the keyboard out here for now. And we can move this stuff around wherever we want. I might need to move this carpet because it's now kind of annoying me how much it's encroaching on everything. Maybe I need to move it over a little bit. I might do. And we can put the writing desk. Maybe we'll put it up here by... And we can put it over here in the corner. I was also thinking I could put it over by the door too. But we'll leave it over here because it fits really nicely in this corner for the moment. We've got so many more things. We've got so many more doors to open though, so we're going to have so much to fit in here. Where are we going to put the little baby bunny? The kitten! You guys told me baby bunnies are called kittens. I was blown away. That's so absurd. Why? Oh, but I love it. And we're going to put this out. Oh, where are we going to put the fire? Because if we put... If we put the slope too close to the fire, that seems like a bit of a health and safety issue. Workplace health and safety. Occupational health and safety? I don't know. Whatever it is, it's dangerous. So maybe, yeah, we should definitely have the slope so it's going directly into the fire. No, Ellie, let's move it. Yeah, maybe here. Because this would be fun because they could actually, because there's no wall, we could just go straight from the kitchen out onto the snow slopes, onto the snowboarding slopes. I love it. Oh my gosh. All right. So let's now, because that's what we've got for now to add to it. We're going to have so many more things. I'm definitely going to add some jumper studs to this red carpet because otherwise I'm going to get really annoyed by the characters falling over all the time. Okay, so let's put this bedroom on up here and we are all going to suspend our disbelief and ignore the fact that it does not go all the way to the other end of the house like it does in the picture and the fact that the chimneys don't line up. No, just don't pay any attention. I'm not going to. Don't spoil the fun. It looks fine from this side. We're not going to peer at it too closely. This is just for Christmas. I love it. All right, so each day we are going to add what we get from the advent calendar into this build and hopefully we've got enough space and it doesn't get too cluttered. But you know I do like some clutter, but I also like organized clutter, if that makes any sense, if that's not entirely contradictory. Hey, I can always renovate it. I can always move stuff around. I can always expand if I need to. That's the joy of Lego. But for now, we've got a really, really cute Christmassy scene that I can keep adding to. Oh my gosh. All right. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and make sure you keep checking in because we're going to be adding to this. It's going to be really fun. Oh my gosh. All right. See you soon. Bye.